So you want to get in on the wild new trend of patch jackets, but don't know where to start? That's alright. We here at the Sideshow NFC know that patches can be intimidating for beginners. So we have put together this instructional tape to help you on your patch journey. Today, we will go over the materials you need, how to attach your patches to fabric, and the various subgroups you may assimilate with once your jacket is finished. For beginners, we recommend denim, also known as jean, jackets. Unbeknownst to many, they come in a variety of colors, and make sewing a cinch. Denim makes it much harder to see any mistakes you may make, and if you decide to remove patches, the fabric will not show the holes you made. Unlike leather, where any puncture is permanent. So if you're going for the Hell's Angels look, be sure you know where you want your patches. You will need a needle of any sort. We recommend that you should go for a larger size, as that will make sewing easier. Thimbles. If you have soft, effeminate hands from Vaseline overuse, like our founder and today's model, Sam, does, then these are essential for pushing your needle through your jacket. Safety pins for setting your patch in place before you sew. And something to sew with. This can be anything from fishing line, nylon thread, embroidery thread, or dental floss. The options are endless. If you are sewing a leather jacket, get a leather needle, as normal needles have a tendency to break, as well as pliers to force the needle through the thick fabric. We here at the Sideshow NFC are not affiliated with any of these groups, but we always are open to such opportunities. Amazon and eBay have everything, including patches. Take a look at this spiffy NROL patch from Amazon, or this Mad Max patch from eBay. Wow, the kids will think that one is really swell. Etsy is another source for cool patches. However, many of them are overpriced, and some are non-original designs that may be found elsewhere. Always be sure to do a little digging on the interwebs before buying. And our founder and today's model, Sam, has also had a custom patch printed from this source, Nayuki from the visual novel canon. Warning! If you see someone out in public with any sort of anime girl or anime-inspired patch, be sure to mock them, as they deserve it. Every single one of them are all disgusting perverts. Starside Relics also has many epic embroidered patches, with many obscure intellectual properties being displayed. For example, this Fallout 2 patch and this Mothra patch both come from Starside Relics, and because they're Canadian, they use Monopoly money, as they do not worship the Lord, and instead have turned away from his guiding light. So, their prices are actually lower than advertised. Thank goodness we aren't Canadian. God bless America. MarinePatches.com has a wonderful stock of military patches, such as this Velcro one. Speaking of the devil, Velcro patches aren't the best for patch jackets. They tend to stick out from the jacket, and Sam, our founder, has told me to say that they piss me off! We here at the Sideshow NFC disavow our founder's words, as they do not represent our company as a whole. Cut a length of thread. There isn't an exact science to this, so just eyeball it. You will get better with time, and if you do not cut enough off, do not worry. Tie off your thread at the end, and begin again, and make a loop with the end of your thread like so. From there, come from the back, and bring the needle through. Then, push it back in. And repeat this process until the patch is fully sewn on. Be sure not to make each stitch too tight. Leave some room for the patch to move and conform, because otherwise the thread may snap. Once finished, tie off the end like so. Iron patches have a plastic-like background, and setting them is very easy. Take an iron and go over them a few times. We are told that hair irons also work well for this process. After this, your patch is set. Wow, look at you, sport! You've picked out your patches and attached them to your jacket. Now you are ready to assimilate with a group. Remember, all people who wear patches are freaks and cretins, and once you join a group, your personality will be destroyed and assimilated with said group. However, to make yourselves feel better, remember our motto: people with personality wear patches. The exciting groups you can join are the military, bikers, metalheads, insane political activists. We hope you have liked our instructional video. If so, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. Also, be sure to check out our other tapes. Thank you.